Did you know that Cleopatra, the epitome of timeless beauty, used honey in her daily skincare regimen? And that lemon packed with vitamin C is a natural skin brightener? Today, we're going to explore the sweet secrets of these two natural ingredients and how you can use them to improve your skin health. Honey is not just a sweet treat, it's a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture. This makes it a fantastic ingredient for keeping your skin hydrated and glowing. On the other hand, we have lemon juice. This citrus powerhouse is not only a great source of vitamin C, but also has astringent properties. These can help tighten the skin, reducing oiliness and giving you a fresh, youthful appearance. Now that we know why honey and lemon are great for your skin, how about we dive into the process of making a rejuvenating face mask with these two ingredients? Creating a honey and lemon face mask is as easy as 1, 2, 3. It's all about blending the right ingredients in the right proportions. And voila, you have a natural, skin-friendly face mask at your disposal. Let's dive right into the process. We'll start off with two main ingredients: raw, organic honey, and fresh lemon juice. Why these two, you ask? Well, honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin, leaving it hydrated and glowing. It also has antibacterial properties, making it a great combatant against acne and blemishes. As for the lemon juice, it's rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which can brighten and even out your skin tone. Now, on to the mixing part. Take 2 tablespoons of raw, organic honey. Make sure it's raw and organic, as processed honey may contain additives that aren't exactly skin-friendly. Pour the honey into a clean bowl. Next, squeeze out 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Be careful not to include any seeds, as they can scratch the skin. Pour the lemon juice into the bowl with the honey. Now comes the fun part: stirring. Using a spoon, mix the honey and lemon juice together until they're well combined. The mixture should have a smooth, somewhat runny consistency. If it's too thick, feel free to add a bit more lemon juice. If it's too runny, add a little more honey. The goal is to achieve a consistency that's easy to spread on your skin but won't drip off. Once your mixture is well combined, your homemade honey lemon face mask is ready. It's that simple. This mask can be stored in an airtight container and kept in the fridge for up to a week. Just remember to stir it before each use, and there you have it, your very own honey lemon face mask ready to work wonders on your skin. So what are you waiting for? Give your skin the treat it deserves, the natural way. Applying this mask is as simple as making it. Picture a spa day right in the comfort of your own home. No fancy tools required, just your fingers or a soft makeup brush if you prefer. But before we get to that, it's important to prep your skin first. Start by gently washing your face with the cleanser of your choice, then rinse with warm water. The warmth helps open up your pores, making it easier for the mask to penetrate and work its magic. Pat your face dry with a soft towel. No rubbing, please. We want to treat our skin with kindness. Now let's get to the fun part. Take your homemade honey lemon mask and begin applying it evenly over your face, using either your fingers or a brush. It's like painting a canvas, but the canvas is your face, and the paint is this sweet, citrusy concoction. Be careful to avoid the delicate area around your eyes. Once your mask is on, take a breather. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is your time to relax. Maybe read a chapter of your favorite book or listen to some calming music. After the time's up, gently rinse off the mask with cool water. The cool water helps to tighten your pores back up, sealing in the goodness of the mask. After rinsing, you'll immediately notice how much brighter and softer your skin feels. Isn't that just a wonderful feeling? And that's all there is to it, a simple yet effective way to take care of your skin using just honey and lemon juice. This mask is a powerhouse of benefits. It hydrates, brightens, and even fights acne. And remember, consistency is key. Using this mask once or twice a week can yield noticeable results. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Remember, your skin deserves to be pampered. Until next time, stay beautiful.